Hey guys, how's it going? Get the camera just here a little bit. It's letting me be contrary. Now it's a little bit better. Alright, tonight. What is it tonight? Tonight. Can't talk. Okay, tonight I have a raspberry nerd smoothie. It didn't turn out quite as I had planned. You know how when you get an idea in your head and you know exactly how you want it, and then you try to make what you have in your head and it doesn't turn out quite as planned? Yeah. I'm famous for that. So, it turned out okay, but in my mind it just was supposed to look so much prettier. I think it's the, I guess you say, the OCD in me wanting it to be better. So, anywho, I used a bit of Nerds on top as decoration, some chocolate syrup, and some star sprinkles. I'll post a picture on Instagram. Just wish it would have turned out better. I actually boo-booed earlier, just a little bit ago. I tried to make a nice pretty heart on there with chocolate syrup. That didn't work. You know how when you dig a sand hole and you want it to actually be a hole and the sand just keeps falling in? Yeah, my chocolate kept, I don't know how to explain it, it did not come out looking like a heart. So I ate my mistake. It was yummy too. Anywho, how you guys doing? See that or not? Raspberry smoothie. It's because of the Nerds. Got raspberries, a little bit of banana just for a thickener, a little bit of oats thickener, tiny bit of milk and yogurt, and a little bit of ice. So, and Nerds and stars and syrup. I say, still a little nerdy. I just wish that had come out looking so much prettier than what it did. Maybe next time. Who knows? It's a lot different. One second, I've got a piece of ice. It's a lot different trying to decorate a smoothie than is donuts. When I used to work at the pizzeria / donut place, I think it was easier to decorate the donuts. It's good though. I don't remember if I asked. How are you guys doing? Good, I hope. Doing pretty good. We let our chickies outside of their pen today. Them in the backyard. It's an enclosed, fenced backyard. And they have their wings clipped till they get adjusted to the area, to our backyard. So they loved being in the backyard. I seen one of them. I seen Lucy take off across the yard. She's seen a bug or something. Do a little waddle running. It was so adorable. They're so funny. We actually got 3 eggs yesterday, but only 2 eggs today for some reason. Somebody's being a little bit of a slacker. Most days it's 2 eggs. So, it works. Their booties are starting to look a little bit better too. Not as inflamed as it was that day we first got them because of missing feathers thanks to the rooster. from the lady that we got them from. I guess that's why she was wanting to get rid of them, because her rooster was being like really rough with them. So, like, I'll take a few more. Not sure if I should have put the candies on there or not. It has a different texture, that's for sure. Makes it not as smoothie. It's good, but not as smoothie. You live and learn, right? Crunch, crunch, crunch. Sour, sour, sour. Something was. Whatever that was, it did taste good. And cold at that. Drink all these little candies off. So I can actually enjoy my smoothie. Ooh, that bite was good. It's like orange. So I got, I guess, or the other day I guess it was, got a clipper for Snuggles, so I can start trimming her fur. For those of you that are new, my cat, she has a scratching post, those cardboard corrugated scratching posts. It's supposed to hang. My husband ripped the hanging part off, so it's been laying on the floor, and she loves it and she scratches everything. But she has like 3 or 4 inch long fur, and all that corrugated cardboard pieces have been getting in her fur, and now her fur is like so matted, it's ridiculous. So I'm gonna have to shave her now. I have never shaved a cat before in my life, so that's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna try to get a video of it. Hopefully that will go well. I got one that are rechargeable. That'll be good. Yeah. I got clippers over in the pet section, in the dog section, for dogs with long hair. $50. I went over to the men's section and got one for $20. No more than I'm needing it for. $20 or, you know, being a little cheap one. It'll work. Hopefully. Oh, cold. And Cart. But yeah, she's not going to be happy with me. To say the least. I can't help it. So next time I get her a scratching post, try to get her something different that doesn't shred everywhere. Because even if it was hanging, it was shredded everywhere. Makes a huge mess all over the floor. hated to do it, but I finally had to just remove it from her. She loves the thing. Like, no, no more. Fur's getting worse and worse and worse. So we're going to see about getting her something different. Tried bringing a log in from outside for her to scratch on. Oh, that's not good enough for her. She's a little brat. She's a spoiled princess. So spoiled that she won't even eat her canned cat food. Where did you come from? Die. Big old huge ant went crawling across the table. I don't know where he came from. But yeah, she's so spoiled she won't even eat her canned cat food. I've tried multiple brands. I even got, just the other day, I got Fancy Feast. She'll, on each and every single brand, she'll lick the gravy off and leave the food. So, thank you. Hallelujah. Even the Fancy Feast, she licked the gravy off, left the rest. Spoiled old turd. Spoilest cat thing I ever had. Yeah, you. Brat. Now it's better. I got all the candies over there. I think I might have a little bit left here. There we go. Get my bowl just a little bit so you can see the smoothie a little bit better. That's cold. Probably thinking, duh. Or my ice chunks didn't get chunked up as much as they should have. Man. I'm getting full. I just wish it came out looking a lot prettier, but I guess I'm going to have to look on YouTube and see if I can find a tutorial on how to decorate a smoothie. Speaking of the tutorial that I was supposed to do, I've got the stuff. I was going to do it the other night with my mama, but she had to work. So we thought we was going to get it done tonight. After she got off of work, she was tired. So I will definitely try to get it done here soon, even if I have to do it by myself. I just thought, you know, she might be able to help me, but she may not be able to because of work and stuff. Whew. I know they'll finish this. I will get it done eventually, I promise. I don't mean to be so slow on it. It just, partly I've not been feeling good, and then when I wanted to do it with her, couldn't. So, I'll get there. Sorry. I knew I should have done it as a tutorial as I was making it. I'm kicking myself in the butt for that now. I knew I should have. I started to, but nah. I don't know if I'm going to finish this or not. I'm wimping out. Wimpy. Hefty. Sorry, I've always got to finish the other part. Once I say wimpy. That old commercial that they used to have on TV. Trash bags. I tell you, we almost, my husband and I, we went to the store earlier. We almost had a deer run out in front of us. Thought she was going to actually, she was running alongside of the car. And then all of a sudden she goes in front of the car. We thought she was actually going to smack herself into the car. But we was driving slow and everything, trying to watch for her. But she kind of did a squirrel thing. You didn't know where she wanted to go. So we had to really watch for her. She's so pretty though. Oh. Brain freeze on that one. Oh. So good. I'm almost done. We got a little bit more. It's like, you can do this, Vikki. You can do it. I'll see what's left is ice anyways. Well, it's like 3 chunks down there. I'm enjoying having the chickies. I just wish that they were as tame as my previous chickies were. My previous chickies, I could actually put my hand out and they'd come up to me and everything. So hopefully these guys will eventually. Just might take a little bit of time. Yeah, nice chunk. Too cold for that. Okay, last bite, I think. Ah, that was tart. Alright, I'm gonna get re-scooped, but I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Things go as planned. I have a little mini clip at the end of this. I think it's going to be of my dad as he was working on the chicken coop. I swear, ever since we got the chickens, he's out there every single day tinkering on the chicken coop, doing little repairs here and there and everything. It's kind of cute. I had to get out there the other day and help him. I had to hold the ladder for him because I was afraid he'd get up there and fall. He doesn't need to fall. He's 81 years old, be 82 in September. Does not need to fall. So I got there and held the ladder for him as he tarred the roof, the strip on top, so that rain wouldn't get in, all that kind of stuff, I guess. So I was teasing about being tarred and feathered because he had the tar all over his hands at one point. Like, it's like gross. So yeah, I held the ladder for him, and I swear he's out there tinkering every day. I had actually talked him into coming in the other day just so I could give him a nice big cold glass of water and get him to come in and cool off in the AC. He was out there for a couple of hours in the heat. He doesn't need to be out there for a couple of hours. So he doesn't want to work on the chicken coop. So, but stuff like that, it gives him something to do. I think that's part of what keeps him going. So I just don't want him getting overheated and stuff, or falling. So anywho, I'm rambling, but I'll see you guys soon, and have a good one. Bye bye. Hey, hi girls. Hi there. Betty. Pretty girls. Really? Chick, 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 chick. Pretty girls. Hi, girls. Really? Bye-bye. Huh? Spoiled rotten. Yeah. Oh. Spoiled rotten. She's such a good girl.